Did you know? Theoretically, if we could harness the power of a black hole, we could potentially use it as a portal for time travel. Imagine the possibilities. But let's reel back to the present for now. In the past, space exploration was a territory only the bravest dared to traverse. The Soviet Union launched the first manned spacecraft, Vostok 1, in 1961, ferrying Yuri Gagarin, the first man to venture into the void of space. A monumental achievement, it sparked a new era of curiosity and exploration, setting the stage for the many space explorations to follow. वर्तमान की और तेजी से बढ़ते हुए जहान अंतरिक्ष अन्वेषण ने विशाल छलांग लगाई है। हमारे घर की सीमाओं को पार करके हमारे सौर मंडल के सबसे दूर के कोनों तक पहुंची है। आज हमारे पास मंगल ग्रह की खितानी प्रदेशों पर घूमने वाले रोवर हैं, बृहस्पति का परिक्रमण करने वाले उपग्रह और हमारे सौर मंडल के किनारों से परे जारी अन्वेषण यान दुनिया भर के अंतरिक्ष एजेंसियां ब्रह्मांड के रहस्यों को सुलझाने के लिए सहयोग कर रही हैं। Looking towards the future, the possibilities seem endless. We may not be far from the day when humans set foot on Mars or even further. The idea of a space elevator, a theoretical structure capable of transporting material from the Earth's surface directly into space, is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction. Advanced AI and robotics are expected to play a significant role in future space missions, reducing human risk and increasing exploration capabilities. However, with every step we take into the unknown, new questions arise. What lies beyond the observable universe? Is time travel truly possible? Can we harness the power of a black hole? Only time will tell. The enigma of space continues to captivate us, from astronauts in orbit to scientists on Earth and everyone in between. It is a testament to the human spirit, an insatiable desire to learn, explore, and push the boundaries of what we know. So, in the spirit of exploration, why not delve deeper into the fascinating world of space exploration? Do some research, delve into the mysteries of the cosmos, and share your findings and thoughts. The comment section awaits your insights. Remember, every theory, every discovery started with a simple question. So, don't be afraid to question, to explore, to dream. Who knows? You might just stumble upon the next big discovery.